Ndugari wa kiuteti ni wabatarite uwate uteti wa Jinu na Juku niguo uri gatagati ka atongoria na nio maroretwo iguru ni ciana na bururi. Kurumirira ndeto ino atungatiri matanyiheire 30 kuma makanitha-ini matiganite kaunti ya Homa Bay ni maikite Rĩtana Thayũ na Ũrũmwe ukorwo kirumio gatagati ka atongoria na muingi. O makiuria ateti gwithema na njambanio yo kuona ingithua ndongoria itingikinyira nyeki. Maritie thutha wa kugena mucemanio na Governor Gladys Wanga wa kuharĩria igongona rĩrĩa ona president agekinyia.
All those who believed and did righteous deeds will be admitted into gardens beneath which rivers flow, abiding eternally therein by the permission of their Lord, and their greeting therein will be peace. A good word is like a good tree which bears fruits every season by the permission of his Lord. And that is Her Excellency the Gladys Wanga. That is President William Samoei Ruto. We welcome His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya to Homa Bay County.
Mwena-ini wake Governor Wanga augite thirikari ya county ni harĩrĩrie uwega gutigirira igongona riu ni riahanika riri na uhoreru na ugitiri wa kuigana.
I would like to thank His Excellency the President for choosing to come to Homa Bay to worship with us on Sunday. I would like to, on behalf of myself and the entire county of Homa Bay, to welcome him open-heartedly to Homa Bay. His Excellency the President is not a stranger to Homa Bay. He's coming to Kasipul, and this Sunday will be perhaps his 15th time to come to Homa Bay since his election. And we do not take that for granted. So we'd like to tell him to come and feel at home. His coming to Homa Bay has also not been in vain. We have a lot to show for our partnership with His Excellency President William Ruto as Homa Bay.
Mubuge wa Kasipul Boyd Were ni anyitite baru uge wa atungatiri akiuria ateti matige gwikaniria miario iria iracura mbica njuru kuri a Kenya na mabũrũri maria turigainie, akiuga gitio ni kindu gia bata na ateti acio mabatie kunyitanira kurehe ukuria bũrũri-ini niguo a Kenya magunike.
You know, this visit means a lot to the people of Kasipul. You know, it shows the president's commitment to engaging with his people. The people of Kasipul, the people of Homa Bay, and it shows his commitment to bringing development to our people. So mine is just to welcome the president. All preparations are set. We are having a meeting with the church, the clergy, the leadership. Everything is set. We are ready to host the president in Kasipul, and the people of Kasipul are very happy, and they are ready, ready to welcome the president.